Kamiti no iria iratongorio ni Rafael Munavu itanyitwo kwamukira mawoni kuma kaunti ciothe 47 umuthi kiambiriria na kaunti ya Nyandarua, Taita Taveta, Kwale, Marsabit, Turkana, Kericho, Busia, Migori, Mandera na Samburu. Mworoto wa mihang'o ino ari kugashirithia na kuruga mamwe ma maria makuruhanĩtie mutaratara-ini wa CBC na guthurima mutaratara wa githomo bũrũri-inĩ.
Had submissions and suggestions about the transition. We have had submissions about teacher preparedness.
Uhoro wa githomo wa polytechnic na TVET nditwenda kumenya uhoro wa kinya beche cia githomo ciagire kugaiwa atia.
Mateta makonainie na unyihu wa irathi cia junior secondary ni meyumiririe arutani amwe magekirira nganja wihaririria wa arutani guthomithia mathomo ma CBC.
The primary schools alone in Kericho County are 700 plus, and the secondary schools are almost a quarter, that is 270. So with one class per school that has been built for CBC, that shows that our structures cannot accommodate.
Ukiri uguo anyitite miamwe kuma kaunti imwe ta Nyandarua na Kericho ni mendekithitie mutaratara uyu utwarithio na mbere o thukuru-ini cia muthingi indi ndugatambio nginya thukuru-ini cia secondary irathi-ini cia grade 7 nginyanagia grade 9.
The issue of junior secondary should be done away with until further notice, because at the moment they are not well prepared.
It's a good idea, but we think the conceptualization of how it should be implemented is a matter that needs to be reviewed.
Kora alimu grade 1 already number trained to mbone wa CBC no alimu ICD trained. Ugu hau hena disparity.
Kuringana na arugamiriria mwe thukuru-ini cia secondary arutani a thukuru ici matiri na umenyo muiganu wa guthomithia mathomo ma junior secondary undu uria ungihotomia gikiro kia mathomo maya.
Do not have sufficiency, and they are not able then to handle the number of expansions that we have in terms of enrollment.
Governor wa Nyandarua Kiarie Badilisha niendekithitie mihang'o ya guthingatithia mubango wa CBC uthukirwo kigena akiuga noyo njira ya kugashirithia mubango uyu na oho kuiganania arutwo.
Koro capitation iyo na funding iyo no yajio hari athi riu nitugukorwo twina equality tondu akorwo ni training na maundu mothe maria njagio harathe mauka mambatete na ni gukoi seamless na ni gukorwo gutiri na gap iragia thiini wa githomo thiini wa bũrũri wa Kenya.
Kamiti ino igutabania mihang'o ya kwamukira mawoni nginya tariki 11 mweri uyu. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Wachege.